Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra Padiredla. Let's do a reading for the month of November 2020 for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Sagittarius. Oh, that was very quick. You got Father of Cups. So you're connecting to that emotional side. If you're already father, you're connecting to that emotional side of you. Your emotions are coming out. You also want to connect with nature also. You want to go out, spend time with nature, and also nature related things will come to you in the month of November. Yeah, Six of Pentacles. You also want to bring nature related things to your workplace, adopting a plant in your workplace or gathering some natural resources into your work will also improve your work, okay? Because there is a stone just above it, it's called green jade, and green jade represents nature, okay? I also got tree agate at the last, but yeah, just above that there is green jade. So connecting with greenery is definitely much required in the month of November. It will increase your finances also. Adopt nature related things into your home and it will increase your vibrational level and you will connect to that vibrational higher scale in vibrations. Yeah, Nine of Wands, exactly same thing. There is scale of vibrations. There's a certain level of scales in a vibration, and the bottom scale is low vibration and upper scale is high vibration. Bottom scale you have anger, hurt, greed, sadness, and at the high level you have love, happiness, joy, blissfulness, ecstasy. So that is high vibrations and you have to connect with that high vibrations. The easiest way you can do is connecting with nature, okay? The best thing you can do is go out, connect with a tree, touch a tree and say thank you and be grateful for that, and the energy exchange between the tree and you will be open, okay? So that's how you connect with nature, and connecting with nature, especially trees, will definitely increase your vibration to a higher level, and that is Nine of Wands. This is the scale of vibrations, okay? Also, you can bring a plant to your home in your workplace, because Six of Pentacles is a tree, like a plant. And bringing a plant in your home will increase your finances. This is growth of finances. These are coins and it will start to grow, okay? I feel like you have to work on raising your vibration. Yeah, you have to focus on that. Three of Wands. There is something you have to focus. There is something that you're lacking in the month of November, even before that. So in the month of November, this is the triggering point you have to have. And the focus is to increase your vibration. This is the scale of vibrations, as I said. I'll make a separate video on vibrational scales, okay? Which frequency has what kind of vibration. Sadness has a particular hertz of frequency. Love has a certain level of frequency, certain level of hertz. So these happy vibrations and positive vibrations are in the upper scale and the negative vibrations are in the lower scale, okay? You have to focus, the focus you have to have is increasing the level of vibration you are in, okay? So you have to definitely, there are main 5 ways, okay? One is to connect with nature, other is to see what you are consuming, okay? Food or anything, like watching a video, okay? Or watching a movie. So that is also one more type of thing which you can which will affect your vibration scale. Ace of Wands, yeah, it's a good time to start new things also, have a new adventure. Ace of Wands, creative things. You can do creative things. You can start a creative project. Okay, it will actually motivate you and make you much happier in the future. Okay. And I feel like you can do this at your home only, because Three of Wands is a home card and Ace of Wands is new creative passion. Yeah, it will bring a lot of money also if you do that. You can start a creative adventure, creative project in your home and work on that. And the more creative it is, the more money you gain. And the more money you gain, the more money you can save. Okay, that is 9 of Pentacles. It will also help you if you also connect with that emotional side which you have in this creative project which you have, which if you undergo, then that will also increase your finances, which you can save and invest later on. The next card is 6 of Pentacles next to it. So work on saving your finances and also start a new project which you're more creative and passionate about, and using that money which you gain, save that and invest in the right way, and that will increase your vibration. Okay, even that's a nice advice I can give to you. Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, I feel like you have to have multiple sources of income. Okay, because in the month of November you have the ability to gain a lot of income from multiple sources, because you got 6 of Pentacles below Ace of Pentacles, which is 6 and Ace. So both are pentacles, but this is a big coins, a small coins. And basically if you earn little income from multiple sources, the final amount of income that you earn will be more, because of the small incomes from which you do. It's like a side business you can do. Ace of Cups. Wow, interesting. I feel like Ace and Ace, definitely even the previous cards are telling the same message, and this one clarifies a lot. Okay, the more emotional you connect with your work and the more emotions you put out in your work and the more creative you are, the more money you will gain in the month of November. And in the month of November you have the opportunity to do that. Okay, I feel like universe will also guide you with that 9 of Wands. It may seem difficult and stressful and painful because you think like it is a long road, but once you reach the destination it will be very beautiful. And this is the only formula or solution you can apply in the month of November. The more emotions you put in your work and the passion you put in your work, the more money you gain, because you got Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Cups. Ace and Ace and Ace. Okay, it's a hat trick. But it's not next to each other, but still you got 3 aces, which is very good. A lot of Pentacles, a lot of Wands here, a lot of Cups. You didn't get Swords. So you're quite distant from the nature, okay, because you didn't get Swords. Swords is also air. But yeah, I feel like there will be an opportunity because you got Pentacles. Judgment card. Interesting. A few other zodiac signs also got Judgment card. So I'll mention the playlist of November reading. You can click on that and watch other tarot readings if you are drawn to. And if they get Judgment card, that means you might be connecting with them. Okay, as far as I know, many people have got. You can check out the playlist. Okay, and also check out your Sun, Moon and Rising, Venus and Jupiter also. Okay, that will also help, because Judgment card is a major period. Okay, you'll connect with the universe, you'll connect with God in the month of November, and it will guide you in improving your career, in improving your finances. Okay, but you have to make a wish. When you connect with the universe, you have to make a wish that your finances will grow, and the way you do that is ask for an opportunity, and the opportunity will be presented to you and make use of that opportunity. Daughter of Swords. Yeah, after you do that, you have to patiently wait for a while until you receive the order from the universe. And this is the only thing that we can do as human beings. Okay, we have to believe that there is a supernatural force in the cosmos, and we have to believe that there is something which is protecting us. Okay, day and night, every day as we sleep and wake up, there's definitely something which is protecting us in the beyond. And we also have to take help from them, ask help from them. Ace of Swords, Thor hammer. You got all 4 aces. Okay, this is a beautiful reading. I don't know if other tarot reading in my other tarot readings, if you have got. I think this is the first time Sagittarius ever you have got 4 aces. You got Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Swords. Okay, you might be watching few magic videos, okay, like card tricks. You might be drawn to that also, because there is a famous card trick that magicians do, and those are the 4 aces. Okay, a spectator says a number and the magician draws cards, and exactly the 4 cards will be 4 aces. So even I can do that magic trick. I used to do before, so I'm connecting with that. So it might be related to you also. But you got 4 aces. It is excellent. And there'll be few events which will happen in the month of November. It might seem coincidental or synchronistic, but everything happens for a reason, and there is a reason why it has happened, and you have to understand this in the month of November very, very much. It will also enlighten you and make you spiritual, because this is the 9 of Wands card, I can see. And universe is bringing you signs, showing you signs. What are the signs you have to look forward? Okay, and the way you can do that is, if you see 1111 or 444 or 555, 111, look at the time. Okay, and that will also be one of the helpful things. And you can use many things, like you go on the road and you see a shop has a very particular name which connects to you, okay, in a way. So these are the few examples which universe will be communicating with you, with time, with the numbers, with words which will appear here and there, with colors, and with other people also. Other people will come to you and say you something. Okay, if they say you have to do this, you have forgotten, and that means the universe is guiding you with the help of people. Okay, and you have to receive that. So all I can say is, it is focusing more on your emotions and career in the month of November. Okay, and less Swords energy. At the last you got Swords, which is Daughter of Swords. So you might think like, if you connect with the Swords energy, it is making you less mature, so you're focusing more on the career and emotion side, which is very good in the month of November. Maybe you have to work on that in this month. If you do want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that. Major advice I can give to you for your finances to grow is, because you have the opportunity, connect with the emotional side, connect with this Ace of Cups, and your passion, Ace of Wands. Whatever passion you have, whatever talent you have, execute it and show it to the world. That will also make your finances grow, and having multiple sources of income is also very, very good. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Beautiful reading. No negative cards actually. It's a very calm energy, and lot of opportunities is present into you, so receive that. And if you do want to watch the reading again, feel free to do that. If you do like a personal reading, you can check out this posture. All the price ranges are there. I do tarot readings daily. I do personal tarot readings, astrological readings, and life coaching. And you can follow me on social media. You can connect with me in social media and message me there. I'll reach out to you as soon as possible. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you, Sagittarius.